Hello friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following one error notification while I try to send the friend request via Facebook mobile app, and this is that message: can't send request. It looks like you may not know this person. Send request to people who you know personally to see their updates on Facebook. So how to get rid of this Facebook friend request send problem? And the one and only way to fix this error is you can send the request form to this Facebook team. But before going to the process, first of all take a screenshot of this error message and then tap this horizontal three lines icon and scroll down and click on this section help and support. So here I try to select report a problem. So next you can click on this option continue to report a problem and select don't include. So here you can select your problem occurred category. So I select friend request. So here you can briefly explain about your issue. And also upload the screenshot of that error message. So once you fill this section and finally click to submit your request. So I hope within 24 hours you get the positive reply from this Facebook support team. So overall I complete my tutorial. So friends, if you have any doubts just comment to me. So otherwise just leave a one like, and also my channel have a super thanks feature, so just support it. So for more tech videos you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.